There's a kind of injury that happens to us in comparison where we stack and we don't stack as well as we hoped that we would, and we shrivel. We cannot be ourselves in joy and celebrate that good which is there. And so, to me, that's one of the key elements. How can I cannot be free if I am always oppressed by wanting to be somebody who I'm proving not able to be, because I'm trying to compete with somebody who, for whatever reason, has become my comparant. And of course, if I can be free, I can be also rejoicing. I can't rejoice over their successes and beauty. I can rejoice over my what I can do, the good that I experience, and I'm actually hindering myself. And the point is that if I were to win that contest and have a moment of freedom, exuberance, and joy, there would come a moment not too longer later where I would compare myself with somebody else, and or somebody else would come from behind my back and overtake me, and the process would start afresh. And there's a constant oscillation between elation, brief moments of elation for one's successes, and then the long road of living with one's own failures in some ways, and failures when one isn't a failure, when one is such a wonderful, marvelous human being, and failure is completely off the social comparison making.